In this video, we'll compare Salesforce CRM and Oracle CRM to help you decide which platform is the better choice for your business in 2026. Let's start with ease of use. Salesforce offers a modern and user-friendly interface, while Oracle CRM is more complex and is typically designed for large organizations with advanced business requirements. When it comes to features, both platforms provide contact management, lead tracking, sales automation, reporting, and analytics. However, Salesforce is known for its extensive customization, AI-powered features, and a massive ecosystem of third-party integrations. Oracle CRM excels in enterprise resource planning and is a strong choice for businesses already using Oracle's software ecosystem. For pricing, both platforms are aimed at business users, but Salesforce offers a wider range of plans for businesses of different sizes. Oracle solutions are generally tailored toward larger enterprises with more complex implementation needs. If you're looking for a flexible, highly customizable CRM that's easy to expand as your business grows, Salesforce is an excellent choice. On the other hand, if your organization already relies heavily on Oracle products and needs deep integration across Oracle's enterprise applications, Oracle CRM may be the better fit. Ultimately, the best CRM depends on your business size, existing software ecosystem, and long-term goals. And that's our comparison of Salesforce CRM versus Oracle CRM in 2026.